Former President Donald Trump is once again in a courtroom, this time in New York City. A civil fraud case brought by New York Attorney General Letitia James accuses him and his eldest sons of lying about the net worth of their assets. ABC's Rena Roy has the latest.
Former President Trump inside a New York City courthouse, slamming New York Attorney General Letitia James, whose charges brought him there.
It's a disgrace. They're trying to damage me so that I don't do as well as I'm doing in the election.
But James says this civil fraud case, more than 4 years in the making, is about holding the Trump Organization, the former president, and his eldest sons accountable, accusing them of inflating their net worth by as much as $2.2 billion.
No matter how powerful you are, no matter how much money you think you may have, no one is above the law.
She was met with cheers and applause as she entered the courthouse, where opening statements began in the first day of the trial. Trump at some point slumped in his chair, arms crossed, shaking his head as he listened to prosecutors lay out their case. The state alleging the defendants were lying year after year and that they knew a high net worth was necessary to get and maintain certain financial benefits. Trump's legal team firing back, saying the Attorney General has no case and that Trump has not committed any fraud.
When many properties which I've sold are worth much more than were listed in the financial statements, by double and triple. What do you have to do? And we're wasting our time on this trial.
His lead attorney saying they'll prove that there are many ways to value assets and that Trump has made billions of dollars building one of the most successful real estate empires in the world. But the judge has already determined that the Trump Organization committed fraud for years, overinflating the value of its assets. This trial will only determine how much the company will pay in damages and penalties. The state has asked for at least $250 million. Trump could lose control of some of his most prized assets in New York, including Trump Tower, and also be banned from conducting business in the state. Both sides plan to call witnesses to testify. The state says it plans to call Donald Trump himself to take the stand as its final witness. Rena Roy, ABC News, New York.